are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I'm...
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a money organizer wallet. Just go right into our tutorial. What you will need for this project: get our 2 of our outer fabric, and then other fabric which is going to be for the closure. You're going to need to put some interfacing on all 3 of these. All 3 of them should have interfacing on them right now. Get one of your fabric. Let's go ahead and find the center. So we're going to position a zipper right side facing each other, down on the fabric, pin that in place. And go ahead and get your other zipper, and then you're going to place it in the same position, right side facing each other, pin that in place as well. Let's put that aside for right now, and let's go ahead and work with the closure. We're going to be curving these corners of the closure. Then we're going to put our fabrics together, right side touching each other. We're going to pin that in place. Go to machine, and we're going to sew up here and then down here. Start from the bottom, coming all the way up, follow that curve, come back around, and then stop at the bottom. Let's go ahead and cut these corners. I'm gonna take this to the iron. You're gonna iron this out. Let's continue on this. So you're gonna get your other, if you want, you can mark the center. Making sure everything's even out, and then you're gonna right side facing each other. Then you're gonna lift the zipper up, and then you're gonna place this on top of there. Pin that in place. Okay, and you're gonna do the same thing for the other side as well. You're gonna lift that up and then place this on top of there. We're gonna sew all the way over here and then all the way over here as well. You now have it all sewn in there, both of them. Let's go ahead and get our lining, which is our inner fabric, and we're going to be placing this on top of this right here. So right side downwards, and pin it in place. Okay, and we turn around and we do the same thing for the other side. Push that down and pin it in place. And so you're going to go to the machine, and you're going to sew all the way over here and then all the way over here. And let's go to the machine as well and sew our strap closer. Just go all the way around and sew all the way around there. You should now have the lining sewn on there as well as your closure. Let's go ahead and add the other line into it. So with this part being like that, we're going to take that and we're going to flip that over, flip it over. We're going to place our other lining right side together, touching each other on top of here. Just let it sit at the top here. Pin it down. Do the same thing for the other side. Push that down right there. Pin that in place. to your machine, you're going to sew up here and down here. You should now have both of them sewn on there. So the next step is we are going to be sewing all the way around here. The other side, we're going to leave a little gap. So let's go ahead and pin this in place. This one you're going to pin down, and then the other side, we're going to leave a gap in the lining. So we're going to leave like a little gap. You can leave a 5 centimeters gap. All right, so go to the machine, and then you're going to sew, starting from the gap all the way around, and then come back and leave an opening gap right there. And then this side, you're going to sew all the way around. Right, you should now have it all sewn around. Sewn around as well, and a little gap that's there opened. So let's go ahead and cut the ends of these off. Go ahead and turn it inside out. Go ahead and sew that gap close. Okay. The gap should be sewn on there. And let's just put this inside out. If you want, you can take this to the iron and iron this out. You're gonna do 2 more like this one here as well. You're gonna repeat the same thing for the other 2. Let's go ahead and put those this side. Let's work on our outer base. We're gonna take our outer fabric, fold that in half, and we're gonna get our closure, fold that in half as well. And we're going to center it, pin that in place. Go to machine, and we're just going to sew that. Now have that sewn on there. Go ahead and get our inner fabric, our lining, right side facing each other. Pin that in place. Leave an 8 centimeters gap, and from that line, you're going to go all the way around, up, come across, come back down, and stop at that line right there. And we leave an 8 centimeters gap right here. Cut these corners down and turn it inside out. All right, once you finish flipping it inside out, we are going to be sewing this gap up. So we're going to go to the machine, and we're just going to sew all the way around, going up, back, and then coming back down. You should now have it all sewn all the way around. All right, find the center, fold that. Mark that. The center, we're gonna go over about 1 centimeters over on the left side, and then on the right side we'll move 1 centimeters over as well. We're gonna draw a line. It should now look like that. You can see it. There's one line in the center, and then there's another one right here and right here. And we are going to be lining up our pockets. We're going to fold that over. Let's find the center for the zipper pockets. Then we mark that as well. You're going to do the same thing for each and every one of these. The first one, this is this pocket. We're going to be making sure your zipper sits to the top here so you can open it up. And that same line, that center line that we marked, with that center line, we're going to center this up in that center line. Okay? Pin this down, go to the machine, and then you're going to sew. all the way down in that center. Now have it sewn in the center. Should now look like that, sewn on there. I'm gonna push that over, and then get your other, and making sure the zipper are all lining up the same. All right, and then that line that we marked in the center, we're gonna put it right on top of that line that was already there, that we marked as well, and let them touch each other like that. And then you do the same thing for the bottom part. Be sure they touch each other. Then you're gonna pin that in place, and then you're gonna go to the machine and you're gonna sew all the way down there as well. Right, and then we're gonna do the same step for the other side. We just put the other side, and then we're gonna take the center and line it up with the center that's here as well, and put it right there, and then pin that in place. Then you're gonna go and sew all the way down here as well. It should now look like that. Or your envelope should be sewn in there in place. Every single one of them. Oh, I love it so far. So let's go ahead and put our buttons in place, and then we're finished. Find the center, making sure everything lines up. Fold this over, and then place your button, and then we're finished. You should now have your buttons on there. Okay. It is finished. Look how beautiful that is. Looks really good, y'all. Yep. Beautiful. And I have this one as well. I created a black and white one. This one I add some pockets inside of there for cards as well as a notebook. So also have this extra money organizer as well, and I did a tutorial on this. I'll put a link in the description box below for you guys to check out that video, how to create this, and it's really great. I also made extra pockets for the money, to carry your money in, and these are extra pockets as well, all dividers. I'll put a link in the description box below so you can check it out if you do want to make one of these. These are good to have if you need extra room in your wallet organizer. I think these are awesome to have. It's a good way to organize your life and get your budget in check. Back here I put a pen holder, and there's two pockets here as well. This one I put here for receipts, and this one here is for take notes as well. I love it. It's beautiful. Yes, and if anyone is interested in purchasing this one or this one as well, you can comment below and let me know, and I will have these in the shop. That's it, y'all. Once again, thank you all so much for watching. These are gorgeous. These are beautiful. I love them. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and you will definitely see me in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.